Today, I'm going to show you how to thread the Artisan Toro 3200 cylinder arm machine. We'll begin with a thread stand. Thread the eyelet directly above the spool of thread. From left to right, thread through the upper tension thread guide. In a clockwise motion, thread the tension disc. Thread back through the upper tension thread guide. Thread through the bottom frame tension thread guide. In a counterclockwise motion, thread the tension disc. The thread will need to make 2 full rotations going counterclockwise for this tension assembly. Once it has made 2 full rotations, thread back through the lower tension assembly thread guide. From left to right, thread the check spring. From left to right, thread the take-up lever. Pushing down on the left side, thread the middle frame thread guide. Thread the lower frame thread guide. Thread the needle bar thread guide. From left to right, thread the needle. Lower the needle slightly and raise the foot, ensuring that the thread is pulled through the foot. Now you're ready to sew. If you want to learn more about this machine, please reach out to us. And as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe.